everyone, welcome to MV Kuti Stories. In today's episode, we are gonna check out a very good recipe that was given by my mother. I'm gonna give it a little bit twist. It's called coconut milk pulao with some interesting ingredients that I like. Come, let's check out the recipe. So now for this recipe, these are the ingredients. So firstly, this is about 1.5 cups of basmati rice. So I have taken this cup. This is the measurement I've taken. And then I do have a coconut paste that I've made. So this is about 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and 4 pods of garlic. And this is finely chopped onions and about 3 green chilies. I have taken more green chilies because there is coconut milk and also there is a shredded coconut. So I've taken 3 green chilies. So based on your spice level, you can reduce it. And I've got some mixed vegetables. So here I have some frozen veggies and about just half potatoes. So this is about 1 cup of coconut milk. This is a ready-made coconut milk that I've kept here. And then for garnishing, this is coriander leaves. So in terms of masala, so this is 2 bay leaves and then 3 cloves, some cashews, half teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, and then half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder as well, a pinch of turmeric powder. Some salt as required, and some vegetable oil. Here I'm using my instant pot and it's currently in saute mode. So now I'm putting about 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So about 2 bay leaves and some cloves, some jeera, and some cashew. So let's roast this for a bit and then we can add the onion. This is about half onion that I'm adding and 3 green chilies. Maybe we can just add a little bit of salt so that it cooks faster. I'm just adding about half spoon of salt. So as you can see, the onions are a bit translucent. So now we are going to add veggies that we've kept here. It's about half cup of frozen veggies and small size potato. So I'm just adding it here. So now let's cook this for a minute. So while it's cooking, I'm also adding a little bit of turmeric powder. So I'm just adding a pinch. You could also do this rice without the vegetables, but you know it's better to add some veggies on your everyday meal. So here I'm adding the vegetables are just lightly done. So now in this stage, we're going to add the coconut mixture. It's not a fine paste, so I've just pulsed it 2-3 times. Garlic, coconut and fennel seeds. So you can just put it through. So let's give it a mixture. So as soon as you add this, you get an amazing aroma. Because of the fennel seeds and garlic, and the mixture turns really aromatic. So now in this stage, what we're going to do is we're going to add the soaked basmati rice. So here I've soaked this basmati rice for about half an hour, so I'm now going to add that. So I always add the rice before the water because it gives an added flavor. So now once the rice is added, gently mix the veggies and the rice without breaking the rice. You don't have to saute it for a long time. So once this is done, we are going to first add 1 cup of coconut milk that I've kept here. So this is about 1 cup, so I'm just adding that. Give it a mix. And now I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups of water. So once the water and the coconut milk is added is when you will add the garam masala and the cumin powder. So I'm just adding it. You don't want to saute it along with the vegetables, so I'm just adding it now. Give it a nice mix. So I added salt in the beginning, but I'm sure we need to add more. So I'm just checking the taste of it. So we need to add some more. So I'm gonna add some more salt. It has to be a little more than what is required so that once the rice is cooked, you know, it will be perfect. So this is done. Now let's close the Instant Pot. Now I've kept it in sealed position and I'm gonna cook this for about 3 minutes in pressure cooker mode. So if you're doing this in a regular pressure cooker, once you add the coconut milk and the water, keep the whistle and just give it for 1 whistle and not more than that, because you don't want it to be too watery while you're eating. So the coconut milk pulao is now ready. So now let's see how it's done. As you can see, the rice is now nice and fluffy, and the Instant Pot is also not burnt. So the correct measurement of coconut milk and water is the key to make this nice and fluffy. So now let's serve this on a nice bowl. Now let's garnish it with some coriander leaves and some cashews. Here you go, coconut milk pulao with some delicious onion raita. Check out this recipe and let us know how you liked it. For more interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.